Have you ever added items in a shopping cart, calculated taxes, increased your game score, or checked if a number is even or odd? JavaScript is doing all of that using just a handful of operators. And today, you'll see how. In this video, we'll cover arithmetic operators and assignment operators. These are the building blocks for everything conditions, loops, arrays, functions, and even React logic. Welcome to episode 4 of my series, JavaScript to React Mastery, where I will teach you everything you need to know to build your own website, step by step. So, subscribe and stay tuned. First comes the arithmetic operators. These are used to perform basic math operations in coding. In JavaScript, we have these arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder or modulo, and the exponentiation or power operator. Now, let's see each one in action. First is the addition operator. For this, let's take two numbers, for example 5 and 10. Now, we can add these two numbers by using this plus symbol, and the result would be 15 as visible in the console. This operator is the only one which works with strings also. Since strings are nothing but a sequence of characters, hence you can combine one string with another. This method of joining two or more strings is called string concatenation. Always remember, string concatenation creates a new string because strings are immutable in JavaScript. Subtraction helps you calculate remaining amounts, discounts, or differences in time or scores. It subtracts the right operand from the left operand. Multiplication is essential in shopping carts and billing systems. Multiplication operator is used like this where it multiples the two operands. In this case, 52 and 10. Division helps calculate averages, per unit prices, and ratios. Division operator is the slash, and it divides the left operand by the right operand. It gives the floating point number when required. Now, the most interesting operator is the modulo or remainder operator. Its symbol is modulo, but it doesn't calculate percentage. Instead, it gives the remainder after performing the division. And the most common use is to check if a number is even or odd. Next is the exponential operator. It raises the first operand to the power of the second operand. In this example, we are calculating 2 raised to the power of 3, which will result in 8. After the arithmetic operators, let's discuss the assignment operators. As the name suggests, these are used for variable assignment, and you must have noticed these in my previous episodes. Whenever we want to assign any value to a variable, we use this equal operator. Now, there are several more types of assignment operators, and these are nothing but a shortcut for arithmetic operations plus assignment. Let's understand by some examples. Line number 1 shows basic assignment operator. This gives the score variable an initial value of 10. Suppose we want to change that value based on some mathematical operation. In that case, we have these shortcuts for addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, remainder, and exponential operations. It's not necessary to write it like this, but you have an option in case you want shorter syntax. You might be wondering why my VS Code is suggesting these lines of code automatically. Well, that is because I am using Copilot in my VS Code window, which is an AI pair programmer that helps you code faster by suggesting code snippets and comments. In the next episode, we will learn about comparison operators. Thanks for watching and keep learning.